Hello you guys, welcome to Cooking with Talicia's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how I make my chicken soul rolls. Soul rolls, you can just about mix anything with it, but it's a certain way you have to have it rolled and contained so it won't fall apart and all that, but we'll get to that later. But what you need from this is some spring rolls. Now, your local grocery store has spring rolls, but if you have like a grocery store that's an Asian grocery store, a Chinese, a Japanese grocery store, go in one of their grocery stores and get their spring rolls because they roll the best and they thick. They're not thin like the ones that you would get in a regular grocery store. So I'm mixing mine with chicken. So right here I have some diced up chicken. Just how small the chicken is. I have some cut up peppers, colorful ones, red, yellow, green. I don't got no orange here. Nope, it's red, yellow, and green diced up. You can use any kind of vegetable in there. You will need you some eggs, but we're gonna crack these open and whisk them. You got your deep fryer already on set at 365. You need some shredded cheese, and you need some provolone cheese. Now, if you don't have the provolone block or whatever, just buy the slices. We're gonna cut that up, and we need some butter. So we're gonna go ahead and cook the peppers first. Now in the skillet, we're gonna use some butter, margarine, whatever you have. It really don't matter. We just want to cook the peppers until they translucent, until they all the way done. So go ahead and put this in here. Have your heat on medium high. Now, like I said, you can mix anything in your soul rolls, but the thing of doing it right, you have to make sure it's cooled down before you mix them. You don't want to put any of this hot stuff on them rolls because it'll bust it open. Okay, look, they about done. So we're gonna take it off, put it back in the bowl. Now with the same skillet, put you a little bit of olive oil in there, just so it just coat the skillet. Then you add like 2 tablespoons of butter. Now you go ahead and add your chicken. Now cook this till it's done, not till it's crispy, because you don't want it crispy tasting like that. But until it's done, I'll show you what it looks how it looks when we come back. Okay, you guys, the chicken is done, but we're gonna drain this off. So I got a strainer in here, and while I put this in drain, I'm gonna make the sauce. So I forgot to mention it earlier, but I'm gonna show you what kind of sauce I've made. A good dipping sauce for it. So let me drain this. Purpose of draining it so it won't be too wet. So what you need for this is some hot sauce, ranch, mayo, chili powder, and cayenne pepper, I'm sorry. This is like a spicy mayo. That's what we're making, a spicy mayo. So you want to put about 3 tablespoons of mayo. It depends on how big you're making it. 3 tablespoons of ranch. I'm just eyeballing now. About about 4 tablespoons of hot sauce, a teaspoon of ground cayenne pepper, and a teaspoon of chili powder. Oh, and I need some garlic powder. Go ahead and mix all this together. There you go. We'll set that off to the side. So I'm bring this back. Dump the chicken in there. Get us a good mix. Now, you're going to add your shredded cheese in here. I like a lot of cheese, so that's probably like a half a cup. Let me mix that first and then, because we're going to still add more cheese when we roll. Cheese as you like. Go ahead and just put the rest of it. Okay, we're going to let this cool down, and then we're going to come back and roll. Okay, you guys, we are back. I have some eggs beaten up. Beat the eggs, and you need like a little brush thing. Now, I took this slice of provolone cheese, and I just cut them up into little strips like this. So I got these out, so you put them like a little triangle. And you take the egg batter and go around the edges. And you take about a scoop of this filling, which I already done been doing some. Place them not in the middle, but almost in the middle. Place one of these strips on there. Can you see that? So we're gonna take the tip part first and put it over. Then smash the edges. Then take one edge and fold it over like this. Take the other edge, fold it over like this. So now it looks like a little envelope. So you kind of push it back, because now you're just about to roll. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Now I do it like this to make sure. See? Now you sit this on, I got a little sheet over here. Sit them over there because you want them to dry a little bit. So go ahead and finish the rest, which I already did some, but here we go. We're gonna let these sit for at least 10 minutes in the refrigerator, because I want it to be, and make sure that they're not on each other, because they will stick. Make sure you got your long enough sheet. Go ahead and put this in the refrigerator, then in 10 minutes we'll come back. Okay, now that we're ready, we're gonna go ahead. We're just gonna drop 3 at a time, because it's a small basket, and you don't wanna over fry them, because you need space. And you let them brown till they crispy. Okay, we're all there about done. Go ahead and drain some of this grease off. Turn this off. But we're gonna transfer them over here. And we're gonna cut these bad boys up. Can't wait to taste one. Well, you guys, look. Here we go. Perfect soul roll. Let's cut this bad boy open and see what it looks like on the inside. And y'all see I got my dipping sauce. So most people like to cut it in a diagonal. And the reason why I like these coming from the Asian store, because in them, when you get them from the regular, look, this is oozing. It doesn't hold like that. Look at that. Yes. Dip it in the sauce. Yeah. Perfect. Now the good thing about soul rolls, you can mix this with anything. The spring rolls, you can mix anything in here. Some people put the meat, cheese, pepper, and really the soul rolls are the one where you put the greens and the black beans and stuff in there with the cheese. But these consider like, I guess like a chicken Philly. These are so good. You guys, I can't wait to get done with this video. Let me know how you cook your soul rolls, what you mix in them, which spring rolls you use, what kind of dipping sauce, how you cook it. Let me know. But if you tried the way I try, to make sure you comment below and let me know. Make sure you like and subscribe and share this video. Thank you all for tuning in with Talisha's Kitchen with my soul rolls. Look at them. Look at them. Perfect. Perfect. It's hard. Thank you all. Have a blessed day.